Hi, boys and girls. We are going to continue to learn about subtraction and use subtraction math stories and songs. And when we talk about subtraction, remember we're taking something away. So if I have a group of something, let's say 5 apples, and I take one away, how many would I have left? Good. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can always use your fingers to tell math stories. And again, we're going to focus on subtraction, which means we're going to take something away from the group. And I want to know how many are left. And so let's practice together. I'm going to tell you a quick math story. I'm going to draw some math pictures and you can do the same thing. I have 1, 2 friends. They both look the same. 2 friends sitting on a rug. One walks away to go play. How many are left? So I have 2 friends. Remember this sign means to take away, to subtract. I said 1 friend away. This little sign means how many are left, or equals to. So if I have 1, 2 friends, and 1 walks away, how many are left? Well, let's find out. 1, 2 friends. I have 1 walk away. How many are left? And so when you're drawing math pictures to tell a math story, it's a little easier to cross it off or to erase it or to cover it so that you can see how many are left. And that helps us to figure out the math problem. So I have 2, I take 1 away, or I can cover it. How many are left? 1. Super, so I can put 1 there, and then we can read the math story. 2 friends take away 1 friend equals or is 1. 2 take away 1 equals 1. Good. So on this side, I'm going to sing a math song with you. Then we sang this in our class, and remember it's the bakery shop song. So 5 little donuts in the bakery shop. I'm not going to hold this up, but we're going to use this to sing the song. And we have to count out how many donuts we have, and then we're going to subtract them to see how many we have left, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the number I'm starting with, so I'm going to write that number right here, 5. I'm going to take 1 away during the song, and then I want to know how many I have left, okay? So let's sing that song. 5 little donuts in the bakery shop, sprinkle powdered sugar on the very top. Along came Scarlett, Catherine, and Angie with the nickel to pay, and they took 1 donut. So I get to put the number 1 here because we took 1 away. How many donuts are left? Well, now we have to count and find out. We had 5. We took 1 away. Well, Scarlett, Catherine, and Angie took 1 away. How many are left? Let's stop and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We have 4 donuts left. So 5 take away or subtracting 1 donut equals or is 4. 5 take away 1 is 4. Super. So let me stop and erase my little numbers because now our numbers are changing. So let's do that again. So now we're starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the number I'm going to put in our first spot. I have 4 donuts. I need to know how many I'm taking away and how many are left. Okay, so let's sing. 4 little donuts in the bakery shop, sprinkle powdered sugar on the very top. Along came Brandon, Josiah, and Jeremiah with a nickel to pay, and they took one donut and they walked away. So I know they took one donut away. We had 4, they took 1 away. How many are left? Well, let's stop and count. 1, 2, 3. So 3 donuts are left. I have 4 donuts. I took 1 away. I have 3 left over. Okay, now let me erase and get ready for my next one. So what number are we going to start with? How many do we have right now? Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3 donuts. So I know that I'm starting with 3 donuts. I need to know what I'm taking away, how many, and then what's left over, how many are left. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 little donuts in the bakery shop. Sprinkle powdered sugar on the very top. Along came Josue, Eve, and I with a nickel to pay, and they bought 1 donut. So I know they took 1. They took 1 donut, and they walked away. And Miss Franco's trying her best to write. I know my numbers are a little messy, but I know you'll try your best too, and that's okay. So I had 3 donuts. I took 1 away. How many are left? 1, 2. So I know I have 2 donuts left. I had 3. We took 1 away, and I have 2 left over. 3 take away 1 equals 2. Super. So now I'm going to erase my numbers again. And we'll keep singing our song. And usually in class when we sing our song, we're not using the math sentence. We just use our words to talk about how many we have and how many are left. But now you're smarter. It's getting towards the end of the year, so we can take the songs that we've learned. We can now write the numbers. And we can now use the math sentence to talk about what we've taken away and how many are left. So we can actually do more than when we did in the beginning, when we were just singing. So you can sing and finish your math sentences. Okay, so here we go. How many donuts do I have now? What am I starting with? 1, 2. So number 2 is what I'm starting with, and I'm going to take away how many? We don't know yet, or we kind of do. Usually it's 1. And I want to know how many are left. Okay, so help me count. 1, 2. 2 little donuts in the bakery shop. Sprinkle powdered sugar on the very top. Along came Brian and Christian and Edison with a nickel to pay. They bought 1 donut and they walked away. So I had 2 donuts. They took 1 donut away. How many do I have left? 1. I have 1 donut left. So 2 take away 1 equals or is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay, let's do our last math sentence. I have to think of all my friends' names in our classroom. Okay, so what number am I starting with? How many are here? I have 1. I'm going to take away something. Usually it's 1. And I want to know how many is left. Okay, how many are left? So 1 little donut in the bakery shop. Sprinkle powdered sugar on the very top. Along came Huberta, Ellie. Let me think of one more friend. Alessandro. They came and they gave me a nickel. And they brought 1 donut. And they walked away. Oh, my tape stayed on that one. They brought one donut and they walked away. So that one donut is gone. How many are left? Well, I see nothing left. So that means there's 0 donuts left. So 1 donut, take away 1 donut equals 0 donuts. So we finished our math subtraction story. I hope that you enjoyed that story or that song, and that you're able to do some of that on your own. Remember, you can always use your fingers, okay, and try to sing that song. I've posted the same song for you to sing along on your own, and you can always practice with me with these videos. Okay, boys and girls, continue practicing subtraction, and you can use anything that you have at home to have a group, take one away, and figure out how many you have left. Okay, have a great day. Bye.